Some goat across the street, so I allow them make them cross for them run. Curry goat for these people.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
Yo, my people. What's up, everybody? You don't know it's here, it's truly 876 by birth, as you're hearing at the intro a while ago. Alright, now we're up on the road, we're there in a Portmore right now. You understand? Yeah, we just do one more of them video there where, as me tell you know already in them before, say it's a series of video I'm gonna do on Portmore. Alright, yeah, my people. So give thanks for the strength and the support. I'm glad to say on the day and everything. And right now we are about to check out one community where them call Tree West. Yeah. And that's over there right now. Yeah. That's over there right now, people. Alright. So yeah, we are Tree West people. One of the community in a Portmore people. As I said, this kind of day a long time to build up from long time with the rest of the community them and the whole works and all of that to know the thing go already. Yeah. You see me? Yeah, man. So on the left hand side right so now is a primary school them called Kensington. Boy, if you check enough people them tell us say are the best primary school is in a greater Portmore. I don't know, but boy, the people them rush it. Them rush it. I could go in there just go look in the parking lot. But the people them rush over here, sir. Yeah, man, when it come to the schooling thing and them pick me and Ray, them want them come at Kensington, people. Yup. Them rush over the school, my people. So yeah, as you can see it, Kensington, ball field around this too. Yeah. Ball a play and all these things. So yeah, my people. As me say, if you check enough people from Portmore, Greater Portmore, them tell us say, yo, the best primary school is in a Greater Portmore. So the people them rush that school, people them rush it. Yeah. Body want them picnic for come here, so. You understand? Yep. Alright, so as I said, this located in a Tree West, Greater Portmore. Get the back of me. Go on around, brother. You know, I couldn't drive so sometime. Yeah, man, and as you notice, them community of people, them kind of flow in one another, as I've been saying in previous videos. Yeah. And the house them each on. Round as a original quad them get and them build it up in a them big nice houses, yeah. But as you know, when them build up them now in a yard space. Yeah. No yard space whatsoever them not have. None whatsoever them not have. You get me? None. Yeah, my people. So, yeah, Tree West, and then You what? Sorry. 3 East. A 3 West. Me start off as I said earlier, you know. People. A 3 East, yeah? 3 East. 4 East and 3 East, the side here. Alright? Oh my God. I'm sorry for the mistake, alright? Yeah, but what you go on now? Across the road straight ahead now, we have 2 East. You get me? So over the side there we have the East them. Alright? Yeah, we have the East them over the side. And now we have a major road, a run straight cross between the two of them, between 3 East and 2 East. So on the left you will have one different scheme, on the next side you have a next scheme, alright? Yeah, my people. That's how it is. If I take the left, I go out on Elsha Road and I go out on Elsha Road and could I go at Elsha, yeah, you get me? So yeah, as you can see, as I say now, this is a Greater Portmore within and round in a Greater Portmore, original Greater Portmore, these people. Alright, me have a video where me explain the whole Portmore, Greater Portmore something, you know, me try to explain it. So round here, so original Greater Portmore, them call it Greats. Portmore people, them mostly refer to it as that, round here, so. Alright? Yeah, man. Yeah, my people, so this are the community. Me I drive into the sun, so I hope it's not that bad. Do apologize if it's that bad. I have good dash cam still, so it's supposed to take care right still. Yeah. It's supposed to cut down the sun ray and thing and make it kinda, yeah, but the sun that still, so you don't know. Yeah. So around here, so now we have on my left side we have a little park, and we also have Greater Portmore Basic or Greater Portmore Infant, if you want to call it that. Now we are about to go over now into 2 West. Alright. Now the thing with Rona, so now I go Rona, so around here, so you find Greater Portmore High School. Yeah. Around here, so you find Greater Portmore High School, people. And I'm going to say the infant school there to my left side over where I see the bush them is a gully that right there, so basically. One time I don't know Portmore have a bully for crocodile thing, yeah, even though them still refer to them still, you know, reference crocodile with Portmore same way. Yeah. Massacre, big up yourself. If you know, you know. So people, me I see a school over here so on my right hand side will look like an infant school too. So me I wonder now if over here so is Greater Portmore Infant or something. I don't know, but me know. But down here so now you have Greater Portmore High School. Alright? Yeah. These are the high school people. Greater Portmore High School people. Alright? Yeah. We just go in a parking lot and go spin, make you get a look on it. But yeah, people, good high school there in Portmore. See it? Nice palm tree, everything is nice and all these things. Yeah. Sorry if the sunlight affect on the people. Sorry. My apologies. Yeah. But yeah, my people. So this Greater Portmore High School. Alright? Oh, here we go on. Cross this is supposed to be Greater Portmore Primary School. And over here so to my left supposed to be the infant or the basic. Yeah, just I remember now, people. Yeah. And that's the thing there. Boy, I start off by telling you the wrong thing around this. I say well, they are 3 West when I did East. And all these things now me I mix up the schooling. But I say it go still. We are learn together, people. You know it go. Alright, that does how it basically set up. You get me? Yeah, basically it's set up. So cross that's in front of me now is a canal gully. Whatever you want to call it. And as me say back then one time, trust me people, you don't want to know. A whole heap of crocodile used to talk about road there, so people. Whole heap. Yeah, crocodile still about still. You don't know more. I only for crocodile they put more people or alligator, but even know Elsha have a lot of them too as well. You get me? Yup. So yeah. So yeah, it's where the school there and the community they right or so. Good house them and thing there. Yeah. Alright now people, so right us up on the corner, I want to look at doctor office. Yeah. Great at Portmore medical. People we know live at Portmore, you know, you feel little bad, you just run come a doctor right there. So yeah, right in the community next door, doctor could be a neighbor. And then guess what? Right as to now you have another doctor office called Dipshan. Original Greater Portmore people know about Dipshan. Yeah man. If you live at Portmore, you have a doctor over Dipshan, me I tell you, you don't really come from Portmore. Yeah, little gas take you up here and go over Dipshan. You understand? Yeah man, the people have know what go on, man. People in that place know what go on. Portmore people have know what go on. You understand? Yeah. So as me say, this are now 2 west. We're on the west side. Alright? Yeah. We're on the west side now, people. As you can see, the houses them are pretty much the same thing, cause the lot size are the same. Everything are usually the same. You know the people them build up and thing and usually the same. Who live on the corner normally bring out them little thing at the side and you know, yeah, do them thing. That's how it's set up. So it's set up, my people. That's how it's set up. And as me keep on repeating I video them people, when you build up your house, you don't really get no yard space, you know? When them live on the corner, them normally build one little something like on the right, so you see that man build a little driveway thing. Yeah, or the person they are doing is a man or a woman, whoever. So I saw it normally set up, you know? I just that are the pre-normally. You understand? I just that are the pre-normally. Big man thing. Yeah. And yeah, people, bus run, you know, bus run them part of people. Them have them little bus run and thing, you know? Yeah. I think we're on the side there, number 18 bus run right to the side of people. Yeah? So yeah, so that road there, as me say, separate the east from the west. So right over here, so 3 east on the right, over here, so would that be 3 west. Alright? Yeah, so it's set up people. Look a bit further up, you gotta have 4 west. Alright? Yeah. So it's set up 5 west, 6 west. Alright? That's how it's set up. I saw it thing set up over here. So I could go over now in a go over this community here now. On the left hand side, because we're on the west side. Alright? We're on the west. So on the left hand side of me right there, so a 3 west. On the right hand side a 4 west. Just a road separate them people, but basically one community. Basically, alright? Yeah. Basically one community people. And something where you would have find where you see regular in a Portmore people is that the people them, you know, them have little shops out of them yard. Yeah, a couple of the yard them, you know, a shop there and thing. People them a sell whatever, you know. You go convenience, you know, like just like you live in the garrison and so, you know, you Joe around there so have one shop. Yeah, so it's set up. You find that regular in a Portmore. Enough. Alright? Yeah. So we're up on the back part right now. So right now up on my right side, that a 4 west. Over on the left is a gully over there, be a bush and a gully. Alright? Yeah. So everything that's connected, people. Everything connected. So people, when you say, oh, I'm not going to put more camera last, listen. You know that's serious. I tell you now. Everywhere connected. It's a big circle. You understand? Yeah, it's a circle. So, I want to comment, share, want to thoughts, want to views, want to think on Portmore. Yo, hey, have some people that like Portmore and at all, them despise the whole building of the houses or the community them set up. Them have whole heap of bad thing for say and me respect your opinion. So drop them in the comment section. Me hear what you think about them. You have some people think say you are the best thing this for the people, them middle class people, so them could have owned some house in a Portmore, you know? Yeah, you have people who think different things, alright? So yeah man. But so just drop on the feedback in the comment section. Me hear what I say and me go see all the things set up, alright? Yeah. So right now we want to check out one scheme now what them call one community now what them call 7 East. It actually named Aintree, but yeah. Also called 7 East as well. Alright? Yeah my people. So just exit 4 West. And we're there in the vicinity of the clinic, shopping center, them little place there. Right, so them have like a farmers market. So if you try to write this up on a Saturday morning, full of beer vehicle, beer people are sell, all sort of things go on this up people. Alright? Yeah, whole heap of things go on this up. Cool? Yeah. Alright, now straight up ahead you have like 5 East and them places, but we're gonna check out 70s, which is this community. Alright, yeah. It's a pretty big community, but it have mainly like a major two road, like a one main road, and I just just kick it on the road there. Alright, yeah, I just kick it on the road there. Now, even though this the road in Greater Portmore, it kind of built different from the other houses them in Greater Portmore. This are like your 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom them, not like the quad them, but them each on together. Yeah. Yeah, but them each on together. Sunday evening people, you find, you know Jamaica thing go already Sunday evening, ball game active. You understand, yeah. Yeah man, ball game active on the Sunday evening them in Jamaica. You know that, right? And Portmore when a short a ball field none at all. Everywhere is a ball field. One scheme of ball, 2, 3 ball field. You get me? So ball game a roll. You know the youth them a come out come kick a leather. Yeah. Right just up on my left hand side is another ball field too. But it kinda bush up, you know, the ball and really a play upon it for a while. You get me? And as you know, Portmore have some garrison area too. Yeah, Greater Portmore have them. Gregory Park side of it. Yeah, have some garrison area. And from my right hand side right so now, you can carry around in a Brayton one place named Reed's Pen. Garrison in a Portmore, yeah. You understand? Yeah man. Yup. So right there so people, Brayton Road. Alright, yeah. This is Brayton Road. The old Brayton to be specific, yeah. And as I just tell you, say you have some garrison at Portmore. Brayton are one of them, you know? Yeah man. Make sure you check out the full series of the Portmore video them. You see me? Yeah. Know you want to see in a Brayton, though. Check out the video them. Alright? Yeah man. So we just exit 7 East. Over here on my left hand side you have 1 North, 2 North. You understand? Yeah. We have a video on that, so go check it out if you want to see how over in that community they stay. You get me? Yeah, we have video on that in another series here, so go and go check it out and thing, alright? Yeah. So as I say, we're currently there on Brayton Road. And right now some goat across the street, so I allow them make them cross, for them run. Curry goat for these people. Yeah man, curry goat for days. Yeah. Alright, so up here now. You know if people, sports fans know about Ferdinita Park. Yeah. The home of Portmore United, yeah. Yeah. Ferdinita Park people, you can find it from my right hand side. These are the entrance to it. And of course, on the left side, you know that I will find Brayton Phase 3. Yeah. So enough people now know about Brayton, you know. Whole heap of people know about Brayton Phase 3. Whole heap of people. Cause one of the most popular places in a Portmore at one point. Yeah, one time you talk about Portmore and people say, well, if I say, I'm come from Phase 3, I say, oh, Phase 3, yeah, man, I know Phase 3. Yeah. It normally just used to refer to as Phase 3. You get me? Yeah, that's how it normally used to refer to as. Phase 3. We're going to take a different true road. Nah, take down this. Don't know the kids them there at the park over there, so swing. That's another thing to in a Portmore. Not for the open spaces, them have a little park setting. They can go sit down and think community them. You get me? Yeah, a lot of them people. A lot of them. They're known for that. Known for that. Alright? Yeah. Alright, yeah, so Phase 3, my people. Brayton. When them just build up them part of them call it New Brayton. Cause I'm saying that old Brayton a while ago we just drive on Brayton Road. The section they refer to like as Old Brayton. You understand? Yeah. That's how it refer to as. Right? So now would be like New Brayton. Alright? So yeah, my people. Phase 3. In party I like parking lot. So you live here say you parking at the car park them. That's how it's set up. Alright? Yeah. And of course you have Phase 1, Phase 2. Them place there. 2. You get me? I gotta have them places because once you have Phase 3, you must have places coming. You see me? I think you have a Phase 4, I'm not sure. But yeah, as I say, I saw them normally refer to the places still. You get me? Yeah, that's how they normally refer to it as, people. Alright? Yeah, that's just the radio talking whatever she talking. The radio that people. And yeah, you have Phase 2 and Phase 1. Right? And regular Portmore people them know them refer to Phase 1, which from the right hand side. Them call it Brixton. Yeah. Don't know from long time, you know that know say artist Cabra come from over there. Yeah. Alright. Couple little plaza, little shopping center thingy there about there so. Alright, so we still there Greater Portmore, no people. We still there Greater Portmore. We're up on Hellshire Road right now. Yeah. We are turn go around, we have a community called 60s. We're gonna check it out and we're gonna probably end right this one. Alright? Yeah. Alright, sorry if the sun pose a problem. But you know that's the sun. Alright. Yeah. So 60s is a community where you know it adjoining Brayton as well too. Yeah, it basically lodge right side of Old Brayton this. Yeah. But a nice community too. Houses them nice. It's been there for a while as well too. But the houses them nice. I think a 2 and 3 bedroom over there so too. You know? Yeah, 2 and 3 bedroom over there. So yeah, my people, welcome to 6E's. And the thing now, people, over on the left side of Brayton, you know, people, like old Brayton, you know? Yeah. So, right there, so would really be the 6E's community. You know? Yeah. Would really be like original community. That was a road where separate 6E's from Brayton when we turn off. Old Brayton. This is a dead end, but we turn around so for sure no straight up ahead. Is how you call it now. The hill where people walk go up more time. Yeah. If you look straight ahead of that hill there, you go fight. You get me? Tight spot around and saying to people. If I say you know it go. Better you just reverse come in your yard. Yeah. But yeah, me turn for sure like the hill, and that's the famous hill the people them normally walk go up. Yeah. That is so. Alright my people, so I think this is where I'm gonna end this one. So yo, big up on yourself and you don't know. 876 by Bert, just do the right thing people and just subscribe to the thing and yeah. You don't know, bless up on yourself, alright? Yeah man, mad move.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section guys, I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.